In the whimsical world of desserts, there's a pie that stands out from the rest. It's zesty, it's sweet, and it wears a fluffy hat of meringue. This, my friends, is lemon meringue pie, the empress of tartness. Ah, the lemon meringue pie, a dessert so delightful it could make a lemon blush. This tangy sweet treat is the love child of lemon custard and meringue, each with a backstory more twisted than a lemon peel. Look at that puppy. Yeah, baby. Lemon custard has been zesting up our lives since the Middle Ages. It started as a humble English lemon pudding in the 17th century and has since evolved into a smooth and delightful lemon curd we can't get enough of today. Now, meringue, that sweet fluffy cloud of egg whites and sugar, has a somewhat disputed origin. It's a bit of a culinary whodunit. Some say it was whipped up by a Swiss pastry chef named Gasparini. Gasparini. That sounds Italian, don't it? I don't know. Gasparini in the late 17th century, while others swear it was born in France. But hey, as long as it's topping our pies, who are we to argue? Well, the magic happened in 1847. When Eliza Leslie, in her ladies' receipt book, decided to play matchmaker and introduce lemon custard to meringue. The result? A dessert called lemon pie that was so good, it quickly became the talk of the town. Now, fast forward a few decades, and this pie earns a new title, the lemon meringue pie. Okay, having survived this brief history lesson of lemon meringue pie, it's time to reward ourselves with some spirited education. Lemon meringue cocktail, anyone? You're gonna love it. I thought that if we're gonna do a lemon meringue cocktail, that we should make an actual meringue. There are a lot of lemon meringue cocktail recipes out there. This one's mine. Okay, let's do it. So, I got my cream whipper, and we're gonna start with some egg whites. I could crack a couple eggs, but this is so convenient. What we're looking for is that was 4 tablespoons of egg whites, which is equivalent to like 2 regular eggs whites, right? Okay, the next ingredient is lemon juice. And what we want is like a half an ounce. Half an ounce into our whipper. We're going to follow that up with a half an ounce of simple syrup. It's just a 1-to-1 simple syrup. That'll work just fine. Now, speaking of eggs, I got some Advocat. Got a new bottle here. Yeah. And we're gonna go for a full ounce of Advocat. Oh yeah. Into our whipper. Advocat, that's our egg liqueur from Holland. It's a great little product. And you wanna always keep it in the fridge when you're not using it, now that it's cracked, right? I'll do that later. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we got our mix. I'm just gonna put our lid on here. Get it nice, tight. Give it a good shake. And we're gonna charge it with 2 N2O charges. Okay. We're gonna charge this puppy up. Oh, yeah. And we're gonna go with a second charge. Oh yeah, oh yeah, there it is. There we go. Now, what you want to do is pop this in the fridge for a good hour. Even longer if you got time.
Are we actually going to get to drink something today, Bruce?
Yeah, eventually. You know me. I'm always doing stuff. Okay, I'm just going to put this in the fridge. I'll be right back.
Should we not have clock wiped that?
Well, I mean, we could hang out and, do something for the next hour if you want, Aaron.
Yeah.
Tiddlywinks. Tiddlywinks.
Tiddlywinks.
When the last time we played Tiddlywinks, man?
I don't know. It's not 1945.
We're sitting in about 45 minutes with our cream whipper in the fridge. So let's make this cocktail now. I've got some Citron vodka. We're going to use 1 ounce. We're going to follow that up. I mean, this is citron, right? So there's a citrus notes going on there. We're going to follow this up with a 1/2 ounce of limoncello. Give it a little bit more of that lemon flavor. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. We're going to add a little bit of vanilla. Galliano vanilla, 1/2 ounce. And you could, if you don't have Galliano vanilla, you could use Liqueur 43. That will work just as nice in this cocktail, okay? But I've got Galliano vanilla, and I love Galliano vanilla. We're gonna go again with a 1/2 ounce in our mixing glass. All right, what's next? Cointreau. Half an ounce. I love Cointreau. I think I actually like Cointreau more than I like Grand Marnier, which is weird. But yeah, I like Cointreau, no question. Okay, so all we're going to do is add some ice to our mixing glass. And give it a stir. Stir it up good. Get her nice and chilled. I'm thinking that should do it. Oh yeah. That on its own would be lovely. Okay. We gotta select a glass. Oh my God. I guess you could put it in a martini glass. Well, I got a martini glass here. I was also thinking of a coupe. This lovely coupe. I don't know. All right. I'm a Libra. Shut up. Everything has to be in balance.
What does that mean?
Everything has to be in balance. That's what I'm saying. Okay. All right. Let's get our cream whipper. Okay. I got my cream whipper. Yeah. And we have to expel some of that gas from it. So we'll just whoa. There it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to just put our meringue in first. Oh my God, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh my God, Meringue City. Yeah. And all we're going to do is we're going to, now, you know, you could pour your cocktail into the glass first and then put your meringue on top, but I kind of like to pour it over top. That way, we incorporate the, holy shit, look at this. That's a lot of meringue. I like to incorporate the cocktail through the meringue, just to incorporate all the flavors, right? And we're just going to fill up that hole. Whoa, yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. And we can garnish this, well, here's our half-spent lemon, with a little bit of lemon zest on top. Nice. Woo, there we go. And maybe, I don't know, maybe a little star anise. Yeah, baby. Okay, let's check this out. Lemon! Yeah, it's all about lemon. Wow. That meringue. Yeah, it's almost, I mean, it's not as firm, but it's almost like the meringue you find on a lemon pie. Oh my God. It's just cocktail style, right? This is really freaking good. Lemonly delicious. That's all I'm gonna say. If you've ever had lemon meringue pie, which I absolutely love, here it is, right here, right now, in liquid form. This is an awesome dessert cocktail. Actually, it would be a nice before dinner too, I'm thinking. Maybe get the taste buds perking up. I don't know. But yeah, definitely an after dinner dessert cocktail worth exploring. No question. I'm thinking too, you gotta be careful with this because there's a lot of booze in this, right? This is good. This is freaking good. Yeah. You know, I have other pies that I like, and we should maybe explore those in the future. I love chocolate pie. That was my grandfather's favorite, chocolate pie. Yeah, I don't know. Have you ever had chocolate pie? It's kind of like a lemon meringue pie, but chocolate. And I like apple pie with old cheddar cheese. Don't give me any of that ice cream. Give me old cheddar cheese. 'Cause I'm an old guy. Cheers. Cheers to lemon meringue cocktail time. Yeah. we're going to follow this up with a half an ounce of limoncello. Give it a little bit more of that lemon. Give it a little bit more of that lemon what?
Lemon flavor, Bruce?
Give it a little bit more of that lemon flavor. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. 3.14159,653, etc., etc., etc. Pie. All right, are we doing the close?
Yeah, let's do the close, Bruce.
Okay. So here we are once again. We missed, actually we're a little later than Pi Day, P-I Day, which is what 3.14, etc., etc., etc. Doesn't matter. This is Pi Day right in my hand. So what you need to do is hit the subscribe button and check out some of these other pie recipes. They're awesome. They really are. You know why? Because I'll tell you why. The zest is yet to come.